Ever since the Notcoin, everybody's been breaking their fingers tapping on their phone on Telegram bot games in order to make money. And I've gotta give it to these games. They've been onboarding more newbies to crypto than any other projects that I have ever seen. And yeah, you could potentially earn a few $100s if you are hardworking, play a lot, or thousands of dollars if you have one of these setups. However, if you choose the wrong Telegram bot games, you could be wasting hours of your day tapping and not receiving the money that you would expect. So in this video, I'll talk about 2 free tap to airdrop Telegram bot games that are easy, quick, and with good potentials. My name is Daily and this is Coinwire. But first, before diving in, we've got to set the right expectations. The tap to earn trend was started by the Notcoin, which airdropped huge to the users in early 2024. People were making a considerable amount of money just by spending 30 minutes, like an hour per day, tapping on their phone for like 2 months straight. And the Notcoin paved the way for new and improved Telegram bot games. However, with more projects came out, the less quality projects. It's sort of like you win some and then you lose some. So don't set your expectations too high and diversify your games. And here's another thing, most of the tap to earn games are a part of the general GameFi trend, meaning playing games to earn money. Almost all of these games are built on the Telegram messaging app and free to play. However, as the number of players grow, the games will introduce in-game purchases and just straight up investment models. So be cautious and do your research thoroughly before participating. There are 2 games that stand out to me so far, but it's not 100%. My goal is to earn like $100 to $200 per game per account. So if you're looking for $1,000 airdrops, watch out for our future videos. The first project is Tomarket. Their main focus is building a Telegram trading bot and trading platform for real-world asset, points market, OTC, etc. They are backed by Bitget Wallet and Foresight Ventures. Although these backers are not extremely famous, they do provide great support for small to medium projects. And look at this, the hype around this game is real. They reached 2.5 million players in just 9 days, and they are said to be the #1 fastest growing tap to earn game on Ton and Telegram. I mean, I don't know if it's true. I mean, every game is claiming to be #1, so I don't know. Tomarket does many things, right? Not just a GameFi tap bot. They just leverage the tap to earn train, so to speak, to help bootstrap their community initially. And in later phases, until the end of 2024, they'll release the points trading market, pre-launch trading market, and Telegram bot, as you can see in the roadmap right now. And if you look at this, here's an important detail. So their roadmap suggests that their TGE is around Q4 2024, meaning you have about 3 to 5 months before the airdrop. Okay, here's how you do it. In order to mine the tomato, their token, early, follow these steps. Number 1, click the link in the description to start. Number 2, you have to log in via your phone and start mining the token Tomato. There are other several ways to earn Tomato. Number 1, you can participate in the tap games with tomatoes. Number 2, you can complete simple tasks like following Tomarket AI on X and downloading Bitget Wallet. Number 3, you can invite friends to earn more Tomato. And number 4, you can claim Tomato every single hour. This game runs on mobile, so you can play in your free time and share with your friends to mine Tomato together. The project has confirmed token conversion and airdrop, so you don't need to worry about whether you are going to receive the airdrop or not. What you should be worrying about though is how much you get, you know what I mean? So that depends on how much you play and how many friends that you invite. Alright, let me stop you right there. In case you don't know, our Coinwire Trading Signal Telegram group is open for joining. We've made great results so far, up to 300% in profit in just 1 week, baby! And guess what? It's 100% free to join, even our private group. So make sure to check us out, links in the description. Alright, moving on to the second project, which is so underdiscovered. It is called LayerNet, supported by Bybit and expected to have their IDO 2.0 on Bybit as well. Unlike Tomarket, you are very early to join this project. So far, they only have 1 million users, and you know what they say, the earlier you are in crypto, the better. If you want to participate in LayerNet, it's very similar to any other play-to-airdrop games. You need a Telegram account, something that almost everyone in the market already has, so I'll skip the setups. To start playing the game, you need to click the link in the description below and scan the code to enter the game, because it's on mobile. If you wonder why these games are always on mobile, well, it's their way of trying to prevent bots and emulators. So make sure to play it fair and don't cheat, because if the project catches you cheating, you're out forever. Honestly, my first time looking at LayerNet, I thought it was Pixelverse because they have really similar style. And if you don't know what Pixelverse is, it's like another famous tap to earn games, maybe for another video. Their gameplay is quite simple. You can claim coins once an hour and speed up mining by ranking up. You can fight robots and upgrade your gear to rank up quickly. As with other tap to earn games, you can invite your friends as well to increase your coin earnings and also your mining speed. Overall, tap games are quite similar, right? Just start playing and you get a hang of it. And finally, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, please comment below and I'll make sure to reply. Also, don't forget to join our free Telegram trading signal group down in the description. If you enjoyed this video so far, please leave a like and subscribe because that would help this channel grow tremendously. I appreciate all of you. Stay safe now. Daily out.